They don't bring it to me.
And also,
If I don't have my camera back, I'm contacting my embassy. This was an unwarranted assault. I'm contacting my Italian embassy. She has Iran embassy. It's not a good mix.
please go.
What?
Contact our embassies.
What? Please go.
I want my
I
camera
want to
back.
know why he grabbed his hair and all of these people.
And then he tried to hit us with a large stick, which I can show you. The stick is inside that vehicle, actually.
He grabbed her hair.
I think he's a great one.
And all of these people saw it. It's not good for
We
you.
need a translator on our side for this.
I'm going to embassy directly.
Bit of a long shot.
This guy.